Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I am hosting an open collaboration, Creators Dupe, along with my friend Ray from One Way Designs 238, and we have a co-host, Debbie, Blooms Your Creativity, and we are going to be creating minimum of 2 DIYs from a creator within the playlist listed below down in my description box. Please make sure to visit all of these creators. They are so talented. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And when you subscribe, remember the subscription is completely free. When you subscribe, we all grow together. So let's go ahead and begin with our first DIY. And I was inspired by Treasures Tomorrow by Brandy, and this is what I was inspired by, and I am going to be duping it and putting my own twist to it. This Belief metal plaque I'm going to be repurposing, and this beautiful frame I bought it at Dollar Tree. With some white chalk paint, I'm going to be giving 2 coats to the inside of this frame. I'm going to be removing these wooden beads off of here only because I'm going to be replacing it with different colors, and you'll see in just a minute. But for the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and take this cloudless acrylic paint from Apple Barrel, and I'm going to be giving it 2 coats to the entire outside frame of this beautiful frame. I am so loving these colors. These will be the colors that I'll be using throughout my house this spring. And this belief sign that I'm repurposing, I'm going to go ahead and give it 2 coats with this blush color. So now everything is dry, so with a lot of hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and put it right here on this metal sign, trying to work really fast because metal and hot glue really don't get along. I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick, and then I'm just going to go ahead and place it right on top of this beautiful frame that we just painted. I also purchased these beautiful wooden beads from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and take the blue and I'm going to leave them just as is, but the pink, I'm going to go ahead and put 4 of them on this skewer stick, and I will be giving it 1 coat with the blush chalk paint. And now it's time to put this all together with this jewel string. I'm going to go ahead and put a white, a blush, and a cloudless. I'll be doing the same process 3 different times, a total of 12 wooden beads. And with plenty of hot glue, we're going to be gluing it right behind this beautiful frame. Now, when you go and check out Brandy's channel, you will see that the one she created for the winter, and she put some acorns on the bottom. But because I'm creating it for this season, which is spring, I'm going to go ahead and paint this little bitty bunny. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm going to paint it in white. I'll give it 1 coat, and this is what I'm going to be putting in the bottom of the frame. I also created a blue bowl off camera, and it's gonna go right here. Brandy's had 2 different bowls, 1 on each side. Don't forget to go ahead and visit her channel. She is so creative and so talented. And here goes the bunny. And again, I want to thank you for stopping by. If you are coming from one of the other channels, welcome to my channel. Please make sure to subscribe, share, and like for more DIYs to come. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this beautiful DIY. DIY number 2, Blooms Your Creativity with Debbie. And I got inspired by this beautiful lovebirds. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and take both of these wooden stems that they sell at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue them together with a lots of hot glue. And of course, we're going to use some more hot glue, so like that we can go ahead and glue the nest right on top. Look at this gorgeous bird. I'm going to also put a little bit of hot glue in the bottom and glue it right here. with the second bird, I'll do the same process. A little bit of hot glue, and I'll glue it right by Papa Bird. And I have 2 eggs, and I also put some hot glue and I glued it right on top. Now I'm gonna take some of this brown acrylic paint. I also have some black acrylic paint. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it together. That didn't work out, so I came out with a little bit of white chalk paint, and I also mixed it all together, trying to go ahead and lighten up that nest. And once again, I want to remind you, please make sure to visit these creators' channel. Oh my God, are they talented? You will not regret it. And don't forget to let me know what you think about this dupe. I am totally in love with this one. Dupe number 3, Twisted Serenity 05 with Mimi. I got inspired by this beautiful DIY that she made. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by cleaning and taking all of these borders out, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up really nice. And I'll be giving it 2 coats to the entire board, of course with white chalk paint. So now everything is completely done, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all the borders in with hot glue. Now that everything is put together, I went to my Cricut Joy and I went on and printed You plus Me equals us. Isn't this beautiful? And I used the color pink. I am loving it. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Please leave me in the comment section what you think about this. And just remember, the playlist is down below in my description box. Make sure to visit all of these creators. I wish I could have duped all of them, but the video would have been 3 hours long. Everybody on this playlist is absolutely talented. And again, make sure that when you visit them, you give them a whole bunch of love by subscribing, sharing, and giving them that big thumbs up. When you give us that big thumbs up, it does help our channel. I also printed this slip. I didn't use a transfer tape because I thought it was too easy to transfer this without using the transfer tape. Now look at how gorgeous this is. I am so in love with it. And now with these whippies and this shoestring, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it together, and then we're gonna go ahead and tie it right back on the frame. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. Dupe number 4, Loli's D's creation. And this is the picture or the DIY that I got inspired by. And you know that we are supposed to dupe it and put our own twist to it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and recreate it. I have this board from Dollar Tree. I'll be cutting this upper portion from here, and once it's done, I'm gonna come back and give it 1 coat with this white chalk paint. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and put the board to the side, and I'm going to come back with these beautiful frames, also from Dollar Tree. It has something in the front of them, but I went on with my heat gun and I removed it. And I'm also going to remove the jute twine and this little sticker here. Like I said before, these are the colors that I'm going to be using: blush and white, and of course the blue tones. So I'm going to go ahead and give it 1 coat to the front of this box, only to the bottom portion and the sides. And I'll be doing the same thing to both of the frames. With the white chalk paint, I'm just going to go ahead and paint this portion right here. And again, I'm going to do that to both of them. So I'll be putting those two to the side, and now with this bamboo stick, I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat with white chalk paint. Now that is dry, I measured it and I'm gonna cut 2 pieces the exact same size. And I'm gonna be gluing that to each corner of this frame. And now let's go ahead and glue with plenty of hot glue these beautiful frames. These are so beautiful. I've had these for a while and I'm like, what should I do? But then when I saw Loli's DIY, I said, yes, that's exactly what I will be doing. But I purchased these last year and look at how gorgeous this is turning out. Please leave me in the comment section what you think about this beautiful DIY. With the same blush color, I'm gonna go ahead and paint these wooden beads. I'm gonna be using 10 of them, and of course this is not jute twine, this is baker's twine. I'm gonna do 10 of them, and then this little circle, wooden circle, I'm gonna put it right in the middle and loop it through just like this. And then of course I'm gonna tie it to the back, and this is how we're gonna put the frame on the wall. Just to make sure that it's not gonna go nowhere, I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue and then cut the excess baker's twine off, and this is it. And of course I don't want these wooden beads to move out of place, so I just add a little bit of hot glue on the inside wherever I want them to stay in position. And this is it, my friends. Now let's go ahead and get ready to put in the flowers. And of course I told you that I will be using some touch of blue, so here it is. I'm so excited for this DIY. Please leave me in the comment section what you think about this beautiful DIY.